Chief Justice has to.
Honorable Chief Justice may keep the same judge. Or
Yes. Lordship will can you hear me on that for a few minutes.
whatever. Okay. Yes.
The orders, my lord, which are passed, kindly takes up, my lord, the order and the appeal. Kindly come to page.
101.5.
Well, I have not placed the detailed order because the order has quoted everything in detail, but kindly come to the important finding of the division bench.
This is SLP 5673 and 74, they're together.
Yes.
Civil Appeal 2419, 2420.
So 101.
2419 is Gopinath Bhanja.
1.5. This is the civil appeal. This is the same.
Where is the order?
This is the 128.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, page 15 straightway. Internal page, I mean the page 15 of the SLP. I do not know the internal page or external page, page 15 of the SLP.
Yes.
In the light of such report, the report which has been quoted in detail,
My baby has not got.
My lord, your lordship may take up any SLP. Your lordship may take up Soman Kumar Das.
No.
no, kindly take up the Gopinath Bhanj.
Order is the same and paging is the same.
Let me place it from the Gopinath Bhanj. Mr. Batiwala, kindly excuse me for a minute.
Wait a minute. Let us sort out our arrangement.
Yes.
I believe Mr.
Not
Bhattacharya,
got that
page
should be
15.
copy.
No, you've got.
Page 15 is what he was referring to.
May I read out loudly for everybody's consumption? In the light of such report,
Wait for a while. Page 15 of that one. Yes.
in the light of such report, the reports have been detailed out earlier, I am not reading out. The commission takes the stand that the process of comparing the marks is in motion. It is submitted that the Rule 17 permits the commission to take steps for cancelling any recommendation in the event discrepancies in the marks of the candidates are detected at any stage. The commission submits that the discrepancies discovered and placed before the Honorable Single Bench by way of report culminate in invocation of Rule 17 under orders of the Honorable Court. By way reply to the appellants also rely upon so and so, but I am not troubling my lord with that. Then kindly turn to next page.
Mirror image of OMR data.
Yes. Then we kindly turn to page 17. It is
Yes.
submitted that since there is a clear reference by the Honorable Single Bench to persons interested in the adjudication, the Honorable Single Bench has implicitly recognized the position that such persons interested have the right to ventilate their stand before the Honorable Court. On behalf of the writ petitioner respondent to both the set of appeals is submitted that the present application filed by the appellant seeking leave to appeal are premature, so and so lordship may skip
This is
over.
their argument, my lord.
Yes,
They said
then
it-
kindly come to page 19.
No,
This
please
court-
read the rest of it also.
No,
Yes, I was not placing my argument.
you will get a chance. to-
Yes, please, page 19. The court, therefore, page 19.
Yes.
Court, therefore, cannot find any visible infirmity in the reasoning of the single judge to allow the commission to take steps by invoking Rule 17. Before court, the appellants, even if arguably added as a party, cannot ventilate a right larger than the right of the commission to act under Rule 17. In a scenario, therefore, when the appellants cannot claim an absolute right to be heard under the statutory rules, the only principle to which the appellants can fall back upon is of natural justice. Natural justice not being a straitjacket formula, now requires to be assessed by this court with regard to the extent of his application to the appellants in MAT number so and so. Although it is tried that electronic evidence relied upon by the Commission is subject to scrutiny under the Evidence Act, at the same time, with the Commission placing its findings in aid of Rule 17 before the Honorable Single Bench, in the absence of a right larger than that of the Commission,
Yes, Mr. Votage.
now, therefore, although it is tried that electronic evidence relied upon by the Commission is subject to scrutiny under the Evidence Act, at the same time, with the Commission placing its findings in aid of Rule 17 before the Honorable Single Bench, in the absence of a right larger than that of the Commission, the appellants cannot insist upon being individually heard. It is also an admitted position that the appellants have never denied that OMR sheets generated data as relied upon by the Commission does not pertain to them, or in other words, it is not their OMR sheets. But these are the findings of the division bench. Now, my lord, I will take your lordship to the background of the entire, my lord, case. Kindly takes up, my lord, the compilation. My compilations filed in Achinta Kumar Mondal. My learned junior will assist your lordship there.
There are two compilations filed on 31st of October in item 101. First on filed on 3110 being miscellaneous documents 226309 and 225814.
Yeah, we have not been given copies on this side.
These compilations were filed long back.
Oh, it's not in our matter. It is Group D matters. We are
It
not.
might be, but the same. The court took up the all matters together.
110.
Kindly, let me place it, Mr. Patwali Argu.
Without your lordship's leave, this has been served just 2 days before.
In Lakshmi.
Anyway, we are hearing the Gopinath Bhanjo matter.
Yes.
It is 910.
Here it is there.
It is 910.
That is this is
Compilation of all.
the kindly takes up the compilation, but this court directed the filing of all the orders. But it starts from page 92.
My lord, in Gopinath Bhanja, there are a number of matters. I am also in those matters. He has filed it in one, given it to one lawyer, Group D. We are assistant teachers. But then, my lord, this is again coming to this that now he's starting on merits. Now the question therefore is, I mean, your lordship can hear it first, then I will respond. But then therefore every day we are doing the same thing again and again.
All the time, Mr. The appellants are creating trouble.
Every time
Let
the
me
argument is again going on merits.
Yes, you cannot have any right of interim order.
এটা সমস্ত গ্রুপ সি গ্রুপ ডি 910 সব একসাথে
All order.
And but this order which I am placing, my lord, covers all the cases. Therefore, the appellants are well aware of this.
Judge প্রথম compilation.
In this case, my lord, I just want to add one line. We went to the High Court before the single judge, applied to be a party. My learned friend opposed. He said, we want to be party, give us documents. They opposed it. My application for impediment is dismissed.
No, my lord, I don't encourage this practice of interfering when arguing.
Yes, we are protected. All right, all right.
No, my lord, kindly now turn to page 132 of this compilation.
Sorry. No, you keep on talking. So,
Well, this covers all the cases. Group D, 9, 10, 11, 12, everybody, and Group C. Has my lord got it, page 132?
Can you move a little? Otherwise, I can't see. that.
There's no 132.
But there were two compilations filed on the same day. I'm just giving over copies, my lord. It must be there, but for your lordship's convenience, my lord, I'm giving the same
পেজ
copy.
নাম্বার 104 টাকে দেখি নে
No, but
কোন কোন কি জিনিস কভার করছে তাহলে সব
There were two
কনফিউশন
compilations. There were two compilations. One is of 80 pages and my lord, the other one is about 220 pages. I'm handing over the compilation which Mr. Bhattacharya is referring to. It's part of the records. The court master may kindly hand it over to
no,
me.
but the other side also must.
They have copies. I filed
Yes,
it
yes.
to the respective advocate on record, my lord, I have filed.
Now kindly turn to page 104. What are the matters who are before the division bench?
आप ये दे दीजिए ना. Give these two copies. Court master give these two copies. These two below which I just.
We don't have, you can tell us.
You can find it later.
So kindly turn to page 104. All confusions would be
I
removed.
must say at the outset that
This
this
breach of
Supreme Court order
individual.
is under challenge in another SLP before another bench.
Let us read this. This batch of individual appeals.
Page
104.
What are the dates?
Well, let the facts be clear. Well, they are not allowing the facts to be placed properly. Page 104. This batch of individual appeals arise out of a clutch of individual writ petitions which are connected to the appointments of assistant teachers for class 9 and 10 and non-teaching staff for Group C and D post as notified by the State School Service Commission. The appellant before the court are members of a committee, including its approving authority and the advisor, who have organized the appointments by way of recommendations issued by the SSC following the regional level test 2016, which the writ petitioner alleged to be illegal. The appellants also include candidates who have procured the alleged illegal appointment in 3 categories of post. Now kindly turn to Milord, the court appointed a committee headed by retired judge. Now the court will record the finding at paragraph 10. Paragraph 10. This court,
The page number.
page 132. This court, vide its order dated 13th of April 2022, was also pleased to notice the report of the committee headed by a retired honorable judge of this court, for short referred as the BAC committee. The report was submitted in connection with Group D appointments, later for the teachers also. One out of the 3 categories of appointments which are being challenged as illegal in writ petitions. Considering that the proceeding before the Honorable Single Bench was stayed for a period of 5 weeks as well as investigation by CBI, the BAC committee was requested to complete its inquiry into Group C appointments, in which the interagnum and submit its report within 4 weeks. Then, Milord, the backdrop of inquiry, I am not wasting court's time. Honorable court will go through it and find what are the backdrop of the inquiry. Then kindly come to page 139. Milord, illegalities, Milord, does not depend on, Milord, the disclosure of OMR seats, the finding of the committee headed by a judge. In view of the illegal procedure, page 139, adopted by the Central Commission, the regional commissions and the board,
And BAC committee can be seen in respect of which this BAC committee
609 unsuccessful candidates got false recommendation letters
had expired. Yes.
from the office of the Central Commission, which were prepared by using fictitious memo number of the regional commission and by affixing scanned signatures of the chairpersons of the regional commission by keeping them in dark after the expiry of the panel on May 4 to 19. The same 609 unsuccessful candidates who
These are
obtained the
people
false
who are
recommend-
appointed after expiry of panel.
Please,
My
please.
friend is not giving the facts correctly.
Please allow me to place the order.
No,
Allow me to place the order.
To BAC committee.
This
This
habit
is
of
not
this
an
habit of interference.
We must.
No, I am reading court's order.
We must assist the
Let
court.
me assist in my own way.
This report has nothing to do with my comments. It is people who were appointed after the expiry of the panel.
Let me place the facts, but why does he stand up on his
How
feet?
many SLPs their cases are?
We are not there.
Yes, they are there, all there.
This batch.
All there. Look,
They are not there.
my lord will kindly go through the order. All these illegal appointees are there. Kindly go through the order.
But
They will not allow you to read the order.
Mr. Bhattacharya,
Which is understood.
1 minute. Are they subject to any other SLP.
Yes.
To my
Yes.
knowledge, no.
Yes.
To my knowledge, no. But no, the findings of the BAC committee is not under challenge.
I can produce the order.
Lord, I'm sorry.
Findings
this
of
is
the
very
BAC committee is
objectionable.
not under
I have very
challenge.
severe objection to this kind of thing.
Enchanting.
This is a very objectionable.
Interference.
I have very serious objection to this.
Please do not interrupt me. Your objections will come later.
It's a general order.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, yes, my lord. I am sorry. This is
An OMR issue.
But this is not the appointments not related to AMR only. A committee headed by retired judge found.
Different.
Let the High Court first examine everything.
But they-
Now, Milord, I am getting Milord helpless. Finding the council stand up and interrupt.
Yes.
Will set aside all termination orders.
Yes.
Will not permit any further termination to be done till the High Court decides the main issue.
absolutely.
No further termination. I have no difficulty.
My lord is absolutely right. It's the only way. Within
No
3
further
days, the order
termination,
is
but
not
Milord,
getting us.
Opinion on any of
Grateful.
Yes, absolutely. Great.
Milord, by these,
It's the only right way to go about the things.
the illegal appointees cannot continue even for a
My
moment.
friend,
Who says
just
we are
Why
illegal?
would the simple, why would the apex court give Milord sanction to illegal appointments?
Sorry.
No, you are arguing as if you have all the rights.
yes,
Yes.
Oh, yes, that saying so.
No.
Milord, the person, my lord, kindly excuse me. The persons who, Milord, may I, would you all also allow me to make my submission? If not, Milord, I will keep
no.
quiet. Milord, if
But
The
it should be terminated just like.
But this is a common order, my lord. This is
Milord, the BAC committee,
9 years of service, confirmation done.
91.
No, that's not.
Milord, kindly, Milord, allow me. The BAC
We are
committee.
right now on OMR.
Yes.
We are right now on OMR matters.
No, Milord, these are all encompassing. All the illegal appointments which are made.
That's what
The
I'm
Lordship will
saying.
confine that. So far the OMRs are concerned, the order will be in operation. I don't mind.
oh, he can't
Yes.
you do this. I don't.
Therefore, my lords may say,
1 minute.
if he doesn't mind, it can happen.
1 minute. How many are non-OMR?
All matters in this batch are OMR related.
Yes, absolutely.
no.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Group C, Group D, 9, 10, 11, 12. BAC committee issue, though arose and on 12th of April, Lordship had, that time there was no challenge to that 18.5 order.
In that event, we can segregate the OMR matters.
BAC committee, 18.5 order is for
এখানে
another.
ভেঙে পড়েছে।
All OMR matters.
And Lord,
My lord-
also please make
In
an
Gusturet
observation.
Bhanji itself, jaga আমি
I'm
confused.
trying to be confused here.
Let us say.
My lord will be pleased to know.
No, 1 minute. Go serially.
Yes, one by one. In the list, I have segregated it. It will become very clear.
Let us go.
Now, let us come to the affidavit of School Service Commission. How could the School Service Commission take a different stand?
Mr. Bhattacharya,
As far as
we'll go serially.
Yes, kindly go serially. Kindly go serially. Yes.
Lordship may kindly see that.
The whole problem is that
I am
Just get the cost of it.
I am in 101, led by Mr. Bukul Hosogi, my lord. This 101 is in respect of that Group D staff out of the selection process of Group D 101. 101 machine charge.
BAC committee.
এটাই
101.
Rank manipulation.
নাম্বারগুলো পরপর আপনি দেখুন।
I mean 101.2, my lord, Group D employees.
Let us then proceed with Group D employee first.
Does anybody have any objection against this chart?
This has been
No.
given to everybody.
I don't have a copy, but if the
This we understand was prepared by the commission.
Yes.
Yes, so Mr. Rahim, do you have any?
I just received it. My
I had updated it from the last one and I have given that updated one because 3 matters have been added.
Now, School Service Commission takes a different colorable stand.
First, I
We
have made Group C.
We are hearing you, Mr. Bhattacharya. Let us set the house to order.
yes, kindly do it.
Lordship may kindly take up that list. I have summarized the thing. I'm starting with Group C. The particular matter, Group C,
it is Group C, it is dealing with OMR.
101.7.
This is one.
আর এই যে আলাদা আলাদা করছে তো
Yes, this challenges the order of 10th of March 23 relates to termination of 785. There was mismatch of data. It's a OMR issue.
নো নো
Why no?
আর নন মেম্বার আছে
I can show
নন মেম্বার
you the
কোনটা
finding.
My lord, this is, I am appearing, my lord, it's an OMR. We have been,
And Lordship would see the second matter is Arup Ratan Shaw, which is 101.8.
কোনটা নন মেম্বার বলো আমাকে
This is also Group C.
No, group D, or Proton Shaw.
Arup Ratan Shaw is also Abu Bakr.
These same, OMR.
These are all 2014 vacancies, 2016 recruitment.
2016
Selection process,
16 selection process.
17.
Lordship, we are regular employee, we are working from last 5 years.
Primary.
That is for primary.
Primary.
So these are
These are all 16.
2016 selection process, appointment starts in Group DC 2017 for assistant teacher 18.
হেল্প করতে পারছো না তুমি
Mr. Chatterjee can update us.
Abu Bakr Siddiq is in same inclusion.
বলতে হবে তো
It be different.
আমরা পারবো তো
If the challenge is to Abu Bakr Siddiq, then Lordship, next page, Group D, Anchal Sheikh,
কমিটি রিপোর্ট বলতে দাও
order of 16th February.
No, no.
Yes, division.
Division bench 16.
There are two challenges. 16th February division bench and 10th February honorable single
এখানে কি
judge.
আমাদের ফেভারে কিছু
These
আছে
are all OMR.
Na kichu favor.
OMR issue. This entire group D is entirely OMR. 9-10
no 1 minute. Arup Ratan Shaw is
OMR.
also this.
সেটা জানি আমি তাতে
Yes.
16 March, 16 March DB order, 10th March is the single bench.
16th February.
ক্রিকেট করতে পারবেন না
Yes.
আমরা দেখাতে পারবো না
Appointment in 2017 February.
চাকরি গেছে তার মধ্যে কেউ আফটার এক্সপায়ারি কেউ আছে ওএমআর ওরা কি করেছে সেপারেট ডিসিপ্লিন করে 100 জনই একটা
When was the writ petition filed?
And in 2021 end, 2022 early.
Lordship would see the number. That will make it clear. The year is mentioned at the end.
No, this is civil appeal number,
No, the writ petition number
2021.
21.
21, 22.
Anchar Sheikh's writ petition is 18585 of 21.
Yes.
Achinta Kumar Mondal is also same writ petition.
Same writ petition.
Sushoban Shatpati,
1 minute.
Achinta Mondal. Next,
Lucky to one, lucky to one.
Lakshmi Rani